When do you eat lunch? When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. What is on the wall? What is on the wall?
A picture is on the wall. A picture is on the wall.
Where is your mother? Where is your mother?
My mother is in the kitchen. My mother is in the kitchen.
What is under your bed? What is under your bed?
My shoes are under my bed. My shoes are under my bed.
Where does your father work? Where does your father work?
My father works at the hospital. My father works at the hospital.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is next to the bedroom. The bathroom is next to the bedroom.
Where is your house? Where is your house?
My house is on Green Street. My house is on Green Street.
Where is the library? Where is the library? The library is behind the school. The library is behind the school.
When does your family eat dinner? When does your family eat dinner?
We eat dinner at 6 o'clock. We eat dinner at 6 o'clock.
What is in the refrigerator? What is in the refrigerator?
Milk is in the refrigerator. Milk is in the refrigerator.
Where is your sister? Where is your sister?
My sister's at school. My sister's at school. Where do you sleep? Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my bedroom. I sleep in my bedroom.
What is above the sofa? What is above the sofa?
A lamp is above the sofa. A lamp is above the sofa.
When do classes start? When do classes start?
Classes start at 8 o'clock. Classes start at 8 o'clock. Where is your school? Where is your school?
My school is in the main street. My school is in the main street.
Where is your teacher? Where is your teacher?
My teacher is in the classroom. My teacher is in the classroom.
Where do you study? Where do you study? I study at home. I study at home.
What is on your desk? What is on your desk?
My notebook is on my desk. My notebook is on my desk.
When is the test? When is the test? The test is on Monday. The test is on Monday.
When do you wake up? When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Where is your book? Where is your book? My book is on the table. My book is on the table. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live New York. I live New York. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. What is in your bag? What is in your bag? My pen is in my bag. My pen is in my bag. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. My birthday is in May. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at the bank. I work at the bank. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is behind the tree. The dog is behind the tree.